Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then we have to find the section either apps and notifications. If not, we will try to find it in the system settings. Alright, so let's start with the apps and notifications. Simply tap on it and then let's tap on see all 36 apps, of course 36 in my case. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for, of course, among others, disabled apps, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. No worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically, this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this Motorola device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.